Modern vehicles are equipped with critical safety systems that communicate through dashboard warning lights. Understanding what these lights mean can help you maintain your vehicle's safety systems and avoid potential hazards. ABS, or anti-lock braking system, prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking. It works by rapidly pulsing the brakes, allowing you to maintain steering control while stopping as quickly as possible. The ABS warning light has different meanings depending on how it appears. A solid light indicates the system is malfunctioning or disabled. A flashing light means the system is actively working or has an intermittent fault. If you see both the ABS and brake warning lights together, this could indicate serious hydraulic problems. VSA, or Vehicle Stability Assist, is Honda and Acura's version of electronic stability control. This system helps maintain vehicle control by preventing skidding and loss of traction, working together with your ABS and traction control systems. VSA warning lights also have specific meanings. A solid VSA light means the system is disabled or malfunctioning. A flashing VSA light indicates the system is actively working to help maintain vehicle control. If you see a VSA light with an exclamation point, this requires immediate attention. Based on 2025 automotive data, the most common causes of ABS and VSA warning lights are wheel speed sensor issues, accounting for 45% of cases. ABS module or pump problems cause 25% of issues, while wiring and electrical problems account for 15%. Low brake fluid causes 10% of warning lights, with other factors making up the remaining 5%. Understanding these warning lights and their common causes helps you identify when professional diagnosis is needed. Never ignore ABS or VSA warning lights, as these systems are critical for your vehicle's safety and control. Troubleshooting ABS and VSA warning lights requires a systematic approach. Start with essential safety checks to ensure your braking system is functioning properly. Next, perform a visual inspection of critical components. Examine wheel speed sensors and wiring harnesses for any signs of damage, corrosion, or debris buildup. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. Professional or quality consumer scanners can identify specific ABS and VSA system faults through standardized error codes. For wheel speed sensor issues, remove the wheel and inspect the sensor. Clean the sensor tip and tone ring, then test the resistance using a multimeter. Normal readings should be between 1,000 to 1,400 ohms. For Honda and Acura vehicles, you can reset the VSA system using a simple procedure. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press and hold the VSA off button for 10 seconds. For a universal ABS reset that works on most vehicles, disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to clear the system memory. After reconnecting, start the engine and drive at low speed to allow the system to relearn and recalibrate.